We want people to be thinking about, what do you want to present? Are you presenting information to a leadership team, to the leaders of the business, to directors, maybe to the board? Do you want overall information of a recent period, a month, last month, maybe over several months or several weeks? And that information that you show there will be very different to the information you might discuss with your team. So then you might set up a dashboard for the team, right? You might set up a specific area dashboard so that when you're discussing performance with that area, you've got that information on that area right there in front of you. We've got one of those examples here, turn cell detail. So I can go into this turn cell detail and really quickly start to see what's been going on in that cell. If we just glance at these, we're looking at daily figures in this case. We've got running times today so far. So it's really a live look at how are we doing in that cell. So I would probably be discussing this with maybe a cell leader in this example, and this is the point. It's all set up so that you can have these there, you can have them shared, you can have them full screened on a live screen, in a meeting room, in the shop floor, depending where you have those meetings and discussions. But getting the information to the right place as quickly as possible is what this is all about. The other thing to mention here is that I know we've spoken about the ability to share dashboards. So what you can do, as we've said, is share the ability to edit a dashboard, to simply view a dashboard, and it will come up in other people's shared with me section over here on the left hand side. But what you can also do is actually send or schedule these dashboards via an email. So I could send a one-off email to somebody with this information in. It will take a PDF snapshot of the dashboard and email it through as a PDF. Or I can actually say, you know what, I want this information to go out once a week, once a day, maybe on certain days of the week, in a routine manner, and you can set that up to be working on a recurring schedule. So people are using this function to be able to get it to their inbox. Maybe they're printing it off and putting it on their paper-based notice boards around the factory. But it really is up to you. If you need it in an email, if other people need this information in email, it might prompt them to open up the platform and have a look in here. But we really, again, we want to make sure that you have the ability to send the information to the right place and be able to act on that information as quickly. Hopefully everybody can make the most of this. If you are a customer, please do click that go to customizable dashboards button, go and have a look around, go and set up your dashboards, book some time in with our dedicated customer success team that you will be familiar with, and if you need taking through it, those guys will be there to take you through it and show people how to make the most of it.